Today I'm gonna talk about my favorite restaurant. Its name is Phở Ngọc Vượng. Uh, it's located in uh, 234 Phạm Văn Đồng. It serves a lot type of food such as phở, fried rice, and diverse type of noodles. I love eating at this restaurant because its food is very delicious and affordable. Moreover, I love the cozy atmosphere there. It's make me it's make my day happy and positive. In conclusion, I love eating at Phở Ngọc Vượng restaurant because of its food is delicious and cheap and uh, a comfortable atmosphere.